Welcome to Bangla Road, Patong Beach, Thailand. You like loud music? You like a bit of life? This is the place to come. Woo! You've got it all on this road. Sports bars, karaoke, live music, girly bars, girls dancing at all hours in the morning. Nightclubs, fish market, crazy cheap kids toys, ping pong shows. You can get it here. I'll just whiz you through the fish market. I won't take you all the way through, I'll just scoot you through a little bit. So. Okay. Want to grab yourself a fish dinner while you're here?
How's it going? Try food?
Maybe later.
Hello, you want something?
Maybe in a moment. I'm going to do a little walk through and I'll come back. Thank you so much. Lots of fresh fish. No? Mango sticky rice, very nice. Barbecue. Red Bull. Nearly Red Bull, not Red Bull. Okay, street food goes all the way down. I'll cut it short here and just circle back round again. Okay. Loads of tables to sit and eat. See, pretty busy at the moment. Maybe later. Stinky urine. Alright, mate. Good day, mate.
How are you, mate?
I'm good, mate. Maybe later, I'll come back.
I'm waiting for you.
You wait for me, buddy. Will you wait? The crazy creatures of the sea. This one's upside down. There you go. If you want your fish dinner, Bangla Road, that's the place to go. So let's carry on. Great little indoor market there. Have a mooch round here. Want some cheap t-shirts? Whoops. Trainers. Genuine fakes. Anything. It's all happening here tonight. Look. Yeah, I'm gonna go for a walk. A little bit later. We've got the girls dancing here. I'll go for a walk. All the ladies on the bar giving us a little dance on the pole. Lady dancing up there in the window. Oops, sorry. more girlies dancing here on the bar. Not falling for that one. Have a picture taken, one of the girls, 100 baht, 100 baht. Yeah, right. Smiley faces, that's what we like. Happy people having a great time. Go, do a zoom in. Moulin Rouge. Little live show. Karaoke Spider-Man. All sorts here, I tell you. Looks like a little bit of social media going on there, a little bit of advertising of all these ladies. And here we go, this is the end of the road. Okay, I'm going to cut the video here. If you like these kind of walking videos, please do like and subscribe. I've done quite a few. I've done loads of coverage in Khao Lak. If you want to have a quick look at the Khao Lak stuff. Our last day in Thailand before I go home, so I just thought I'd have a cheeky night out in Phuket, Bangla Road, and just take you with me for a little walk around video. Okay, thanks for watching. Please do like and subscribe. I'll catch you again.